Everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice radical square root problem, which is the square root of 5 plus the square root of 96 plus 16 square root of 20. So how do we solve this? Now, solution from here, we can express this as the square root of 5 plus, now here we have the second square root, which is the square root of 96. We can express 96 as 16 times 6, then plus 16 square root of 20. Now, from what we can see here, 16 is common, so we can factor out 16. So we have square root of, this is 5, plus, now square root of, here we'll have 16, we factor out 16, into the parentheses, 6 plus square root of 20, close the bracket. Now, from this square root that we have here, this is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a times square root of b. Applying this property, then here we have square root of, this is, now we have that the square root of 5 plus square root of 16 into the parentheses, 6 plus square root of 20. This part is in the form of square root of a times b, which you can express as square root of a times square root of b. Applying this property, then here we have square root of 5 plus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 6 plus square root of 20. So this is the same thing as square root of 5 plus square root of 16, which is equal to 4, multiplied by square root of 6 plus square root of 20. Now, the next step is that we have the square root of 5. This is 5 plus, now here we have 4 square root of 6 plus, we can express square root of 20 as square root of 4 multiplied by 5. Now from here, this is the same thing as square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 6 plus, here this is square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 5, which is square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 6 plus square root of 4, which is 2, then square root of 5. Now from here, we can express 6 as, now this is the square root of 5 plus 4, then square root of 6 can be expressed as 5 plus 1, then plus, this is 2 square root of 5, which you can further express as, now here we have 5 plus 4, then square root of, now we can express 5 as square root of 5 squared, then plus 1 squared, then here plus 2 times square root of 5, then times 1. Now, if we check keenly here, if we check this part, this is in the form of a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, which we can express as a plus b squared. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have the square root of, this is 5 plus 4. Now here we'll have the square root of 5 squared. Now we can write this as square root of 5 plus 1, everything here squared. So this implies that we can simplify and eliminate this square root sign. So that here we have the square root of, this is 5 plus 4 multiplied by, here this is the square root of 5 plus 1. Now the next step from here, we have that this is the square root of 5, this is 5 plus, now this is 4 times square root of 5, this is 4 square root of 5, then plus 4. So the next step is that we have the square root of, this is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9, then plus 4 square root of 5. We can express 9, we can be able to express 9 as, this is the same thing as 5 plus 4. Then here we have 4 square root of 5, which you can express 4 as 2 times square root of 5 times 2. So the next step here, we can express 5 as the square root of 5 squared, then plus 4, which is the same thing as 2 to the power 2, then plus 2 times the square root of 5, then times 2. Now, this part again, this part is actually in the form of a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, which we can express as a plus b squared. So this implies that here we have the square root of, now which is, we have the square root of 5 plus, this is 2 squared. If we expand this, we are able to get this, we are able to retain this, the original equation. So let's eliminate the square root sign here, so that now we have square root of 5 plus 2. Now this is the solution to this radical problem. This is the solution to this radical problem, and which is approximately, this is the same thing as 4.2361. So this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. So this is 4.2361. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.